Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
All right, here we got a 2012 Buick Verano. All right, if your AC is not working, it's not blowing, it's not turning on, this is gonna be the part you're gonna need. So the part that I'm holding right now is actually the one that is not working. I already replaced it with a used one. The color is different, but I already tested and it worked. And I'm gonna explain how I got to it. So right now I just want to turn this on so I can show you that it worked. Oh yeah, you hear the air? All right, so it's blowing. The other one wasn't doing anything at all. All right, so let me tell you how I got there. So I'm gonna work my way back, that way you know how to get it. So I'm gonna clip this back in. This one is held with 4 clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So I'm just gonna press it in and it should lock in place, just like that. Then I'm gonna flip it around. Yes, you can see, so the one I ordered is black, but it's okay. As long as it works, that's what really matters. All right, so now I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna go under that top screen. I gotta get my edge to go right under. Just like that. Wait a minute. It's hard working with one hand, but I need to stay this under. Like that. It's perfect right there. All right, so now you're gonna have 7mm. You're gonna have one here, another 7mm here. Sorry about the beeping, because I have the car on gear, so I gotta deal with the beeping for a second. I'm gonna tie this one. All right, now you see the little ear right here? This one you just push it back in. So to get to that screw, you gotta open that, right? So push it back in. Same thing on this side. Bring it back in. So now I'm gonna flip this over around. And this one is held by a lot of clips and 2 screws on the bottom, which I'm gonna show you now after I clip it in. So I'm gonna line them up here and start clipping it from the top, just like that. Make sure you line all of them up. Just like that. Then you're gonna move your gear forward. Put the key. Gotta flip this one that way. Let me remove the key. All right, so now you're gonna have 220 T20. Okay, 2 little screw. No, not T20, sorry, that's not it. It's T15. 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 So they're right here. One is right here on the right. Okay. One is right here on the left. Okay. I'll get my T15. So basically I work my way back, but that will be the same process. And then this one you're just gonna clip it in here. You clip it here and push it. Well, actually, you gotta push it from the back in first. Wait a minute. No, push the inside in first, and then push this one down, like that. Okay. So now we're gonna test it. Close the door. So I heard the beep, 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 beep. Let's see if. Oh yeah. You see that? Oh yeah. As you can see. You can see right there. It's the AC on, AC off, AC on. That's when I press this right here. So we know it's working. Well, I hope this video helped you. Like always, please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. So remember, you're only gonna replace this thing if it's not lighting up. So that one was like completely burned, like it wasn't even lighting up with the, you know, with the lights. You know, like when you turn your lights on, see how that one is showing lighting up. I got the light on here. So the old one, that one right there, it wasn't even doing that. So I checked all the fuses, all the relay, and everything was good. So I assumed that was bad. For the new one,